Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Currently, I am in the process of redesigning my bedroom. So I just recently purchased some new furniture. I just recently purchased a platform bed as well as a headboard from Vamp Panels. So if you missed any of those videos and you want to catch up on the entire process, then make sure you go back and check them out. But today's video, I am just currently trying to come up with a color scheme for my bedroom. I don't have a lot of items for the bedroom, but I do have an area rug as well as a large piece of artwork, and I have a few accessories that I purchased for the bedroom. And in this video, I am going to share that with you guys and hopefully come up with a color scheme. So if you're interested in following me on my redesign bedroom journey, then keep watching. Okay, I started the video off with me trying to lay the rug down under the bed. I just ended up turning the camera off because it took me a lot longer than I thought it would. I thought I would be able to kind of slide it up under the bed frame with the mattress on top, but that did not work. It was just too heavy, so I had to move the mattress and put the rug up under there. But this is how it looks so far, and I am liking it. So I have it coming out a little bit up until the dresser. I need to vacuum it, but it looks really good so far. So this video, I'm just trying to determine a color scheme for the room. One of you lifestyle lovers asked me, had I determined a color scheme, and I have not. I do know that I am going to accent it with a small amount of gold and a small amount of black. But it may be a little purple in it, I'm thinking. And I'm thinking teal as well. And of course gray, because the headboard is gray. But I have not decided on an actual color. So I have the rug down. I'm going to go ahead and hang my wall art on this wall, and then I'm going to pull out some quilts that I purchased from Pier 1 that I may incorporate in the bedding. I have not purchased any other pillows. I've purchased a few little accent pieces that I also share with you guys. Just how many? Just what, 2 or 3 things that I've purchased. It's not going to be decked out with decor. Of course, this is my bedroom, so any decor, well, not any decor, but most of the decor will be functional. I just want it to be comfortable. I want it to be relaxing. You know, it's not going to be, you know, decked out with accessories and all that stuff. So I'm trying to incorporate functional decor, stuff that looks good, but I can actually use it for a purpose. So that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. I'm going to go ahead and hang the wall art, and then hopefully I can decide what colors that I'm going to pull out of the rug and the wall art. So if you're interested, then keep watching.
My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against the red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, I do have a specific method that I use in order to hang wall art that has the wire hanging on the back. So if you're interested in the method that I'm using to hang this piece of wall art, I will make sure that I will link that video in the description box.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, here is an angle where you can also see the artwork and the rug. It looks really, really good. Oh, it looks good. It looks good. So yeah, it coordinates very, very, very well. Oh yeah, honey, that looks good. Good, good, good. I love it. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I just want to do a little quick baby haul with some things that I purchased for my bedroom. I don't know if I shared these quilts with you guys, but I purchased this from Pier 1 and it looked a lot lighter online because I was going for this color right here, but it looks like a cerulean in person. And then you guys see I have the purple one. I love these quilts. They look so good, so rich, feel so good. They're not too hot and not too cold. But they sold out of these really, really quickly because I actually wanted the sham pillows in the charcoal. And so I got this one as well. So I'm thinking about doing maybe like a layering technique with these quilts and incorporating both colors. I don't know yet, but I am going to change out my sheets to some white sheets. So I'm going to get rid of the purple and get some crisp white sheets. So I'll probably be sharing that with you guys in another video. And also I purchased these from Pier 1 out of the store. I guess it reminds you of some jewelry boxes, but I can like sit these in the shelving part and then you can't see through them. So I got a small one, I guess a medium-sized one. It's not really small, but I can use this, you know, for jewelry or remotes, things like that. And then I got a larger one. And you know, Pier 1 is still not really sale type stuff, so these were only 15% off, but I can stack them like that and just place them in the shelving unit. Like, let me show you a shelving unit like that, which is really, really huge. I love this part of the nightstand, but I can style them like that. I also purchased this as well, lifestyle lovers. So I think, as I stated, there is going to be some black and gold accents, but this was $19.99 from Marshall's, and I just think it adds like a, of course, a contemporary vibe to the room, and it's not too big. It won't take up too much space, so I can style it kind of like this. So I brought this Tom Ford cover out of my office, and I can place it kind of like to, I am going to get my TV lowered, but this kind of like hides the cord behind here. And I may place a little accent of gold. So look, a nice, clean, contemporary look to it. I really like that. That's cool. Okay, lifestyle lovers, and I also purchased these coasters. I purchased these from Marshall's as well. It's a set of 4. They are extremely heavy. They are really heavy. But what are they? Oh, okay, I guess it's marble. They were $5.99. They still have, or not, oh, they came from Ross. I'm sorry, I think I said Marshall's. But they were $5.99 from Ross. If you can see that, is it focusing? $5.99 from Ross. But I guess it is marble because it says natural products such as marble will vary in color. This is a natural occurrence. But they were $5.99 for 4. So I can simply place these on the nightstand. I do tend to go to bed with a beverage, whether it's tea, wine, water, whatever the case may be. So I definitely need coasters to protect my nightstands or my wood finish. I can just kind of style them like that on the nightstand, or I can keep them in the nightstand drawer. I think I'm just going to keep them on the nightstand. That way I'll have easy access. These colors look really good together. I don't think that they will match with the whole color scheme. So I still haven't figured out a color scheme, but I do know that they're going to be black and gold accents. That's all I currently know at this time. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. What's next as far as the bedroom, I really don't know. I am going to refinish the hardware, and I've already started on that, so you guys will get a chance to see that. And the seating area, or the chase that I'm looking at that will go right up under the artwork, is actually on back order until October. And so it's probably be a few months before I will have that, unless it comes back in stock sooner than later. But yeah, and on this wall right here, I have 2 windows on this wall, so I'm thinking of doing a floating desk, because my office has actually turned into an office. I actually work out of my office. So I just want an area where I can maybe sit on my laptop, you know, in my room, and I don't have to go in my office, because when I go in my office, I just kind of go into work mode. It's just not that fun, glam office that I once knew. It's the office. So not the glam office, but the office. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Let me know what you think of the artwork with the rug, or maybe some color schemes that I could do. I'm seeing a lot of plums from these 2 together, a lot of plums, and I don't know. I know I'd definitely be able to incorporate the charcoal, but I don't know about this. Although it's a beautiful color, I don't know about it, but I'm gonna play around with some colors and stuff and see, and I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. But other than that, lifestyle lovers, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the bedroom design coming along. You know, I'm really not trying to milk it. It's just taking time in order for me to get things coming together. School will be starting back in a couple of weeks, so I'm kind of going to redirect my funds and my focus to getting Mookie back in school. He's starting middle school, so he's starting the 6th grade, and also my daughter is having a baby in a couple of weeks. So my money and my time is probably going to be redirected towards the 2 things. So I probably won't be buying any new decor or anything like that, but I will be working on things that I'm currently already working on. That's it for now, lifestyle lovers. I hope you're being safe. Continue to be encouraged, and make sure you're wearing your mask. Make sure you're washing your hands. What else can we do? Just try to do the best we can and hope for the best. But that's it for now, lifestyle lovers. Later.